welcome to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to blur background in CapCut. So first open CapCut, then new project, and from here select the video you want to make blur, select HD, then add. After that select the video, then go to effect, then from here select video effect and in search bar search for blur, apply it, and from here select this blur, and if you click on this setting icon you can adjust it blurriness. You can increase the blur or you can decrease the blur. So I'm going to keep it something like this. Then hit OK. After that click outside of the timeline, then select overlay and select add overlay. From here select this video again and again select HD, then add. After that select that video and adjust its size with the actual size of our video. Now select this video, then go to remove BG, click here and then select auto removal. So here you can see that background is removed and blur added in your video. So that's how you can make blur your video background in CapCut. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then make sure to subscribe and like this video.